Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho CRM workflow automation rules, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Zoho CRM workflow automation rules, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the setup icon in the top right corner. In the setup menu, locate automation and click on it. From the automation menu, select workflow rules. You will now see a list of existing workflow rules. Find the workflow rule you wish to update and click on its name. This will open the rule for editing. Review the conditions and actions currently set for the workflow. If you need to modify conditions, click Edit Criteria. Make the necessary adjustments to the criteria as needed. After making changes, click Save Criteria to confirm. To update the Actions section, scroll to the Actions area. Click on Edit Actions to modify the actions tied to the workflow rule. You can add new actions or edit existing ones as per your requirements. Once you have made the changes, click Save Actions to apply them. Make sure to review all adjustments you made to ensure they align with your needs. Finally, click Save at the top right corner of the screen to save your entire workflow rule. Your updates will be effective immediately based on the conditions set. If you need to deactivate the workflow, toggle the status switch to off. You can always come back to modify or reactivate the rule at any time. With these steps, your Zoho CRM workflow automation rules should now be updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.